Hi, in this video I'd like to discuss PCOS and its effective treatment. So if you believe that PCOS has no effective treatment available, as your doctor may suggest that now that you know that there is effective treatment available, you may seek it so that you can restore quality of life, because PCOS is a chronic condition that can affect many things and cause complications, especially during pregnancy and also miscarriage. So before this, PCOS is usually treated with medication, oral contraceptives, medications of this sort, especially progesterone and estrogen. This was how they balance the endocrine disorder that's happening within your body. Because PCOS is known to cause excessively high levels of testosterone within women who have these conditions. So when these women have high levels of testosterone, higher than their normal healthy counterparts, they begin to develop masculine features, symptoms that a male would develop. For example, excessive body hair, and then excessive acne on the face and also in the back. These are some distinct features that we can associate with PCOS. Furthermore, they can also have some dark skin, dark and also rougher skin. And then another key symptom that we see is chronic obesity, which means they are slightly fatter or larger in size, and regardless of how much exercise that they do, they are unable to lose this weight, because this weight is actually tied into PCOS. It is due to the insulin resistance that is caused by this chronic hormonal disorder. That's why they're unable to lose this weight. But here at Antai Hospital, our treatment can actually effectively treat PCOS, bringing this high testosterone level down. And when this testosterone level drops, you can see all the symptoms start to go away. The acne starts to fade. You no longer need to depend on external medication because the root cause, which is PCOS, has been dealt with. Body hair starts to fade. The obesity also reduced significantly. You can transform yourself within a few months just by receiving this treatment. So here at Antai Hospital, we specialize in treatments that lead to pregnancy complications and miscarriage, and PCOS is one of the most common conditions that we get from our patients, especially because it can affect your fertility quite seriously. PCOS is also one of the most common gynecological disorders among women today. So it's actually quite prevalent, and many women are not receiving the treatment that they need, because there is treatment but they don't know about it, and not many hospitals can offer this type of treatment. Unlike Antai Hospital, we do offer this treatment with up to 95% success rate and also a full refund guarantee, because we've been doing this for over the past 20 years, and all our patients have recovered successfully and go on to a successful pregnancy journey. So PCOS is an organic disease that leads to long-term hormonal disorders. An organic disease requires surgical intervention. That is the most effective way to treat this condition. So Antai Hospital uses 3D laparoscopic surgery, which is a minimally invasive surgery. There will be no scarring and there will be no transabdominal surgery. Not to worry, this is a very minimally invasive, rather painless surgery to pinpoint specific tissues within your ovaries. Now, this is the cause behind your PCOS, which is the presence of what we call Leydig cells. These Leydig cells are deep inside your ovary, and they are the ones that are secreting this excessive testosterone within your body and leading to all sorts of these PCOS symptoms and complications. Now, what we need to do is that our surgeons will expertly pinpoint these tissues within the ovaries, both ovaries of course, and we need to remove them, all of these, using 3D laparoscopic surgery. Once this surgery is completed, a patient is allowed to return home to recover within a few months, usually 3 to 6 months. And within these 3 to 6 months, you can see that your symptoms start to subside, obesity starts to go away, you no longer need to depend on excessive exercise or dieting, because the Leydig cells, the PCOS has already been treated effectively. And then other symptoms also start to fade. For example, your frequent menstruation disorders, when you start to skip your menses or your period is far too long, all of these start to restore again. They start to coming back to normal because your testosterone level has gone back to normal, because the PCOS has been treated. There's no more Leydig cells within the ovaries. So Antai Hospital offers this specialized treatment because you cannot really get this anywhere else. And with our years of experience, we are very confident in our skill and also the outcome of the surgery. That's why we offer you full refund guarantee. If you do experience unsatisfactory treatment, if you don't see any symptoms subsiding, if you don't see your pregnancy journey to be a successful one, and then you can come to us and we are obligated to return you the full treatment cost. So get in touch with us via the website today and get your PCOS treated surgically. All you need to do is one treatment. You no longer need to depend on any medications lifelong. You do not need to go down that route anymore. Only one surgical treatment and all of your symptoms can be subsided. You can recover and your quality of life can be restored.